Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 more useful English words.
These are words 501 through 600.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
Here's how we will practice.
I will say the English word.
Then I will read one simple example sentence.
Listen carefully.
Repeat the word after him.
Then listen to the sentence.
Repeat the sentence with me.
The more you listen,
The more confident your English will become.
are you ready?
Let's begin.
Word,
Let's start learning.
neighbor,
My neighbor is very friendly.
hometown,
My hometown is peaceful.
address,
Please write your address.
mailbox,
The letter is in the mailbox.
package,
I received a package today.
delivery,
The delivery arrived on time.
letter,
I wrote a letter to my friend.
postcard,
She sent me a postcard.
stamp,
Put a stamp on the envelope.
envelope,
The envelope is white.
conversation,
We had a nice conversation.
discussion,
The discussion was interesting.
opinion,
Everyone has an opinion.
idea,
That is a great idea.
advice,
Thank you for your advice.
suggestion,
I like your suggestion.
agreement,
We reached an agreement.
decision,
It was a difficult decision.
choice,
You have a good choice.
reason,
What is the reason?
problem,
We solved the problem.
solution,
That is a simple solution.
challenge,
Learning English is a fun challenge.
opportunity,
This is a great opportunity.
experience,
It was a wonderful experience.
memory,
That is a happy memory.
history,
I enjoy learning history.
culture,
Every country has its own culture.
tradition,
This tradition is very old.
language,
English is an international language.
sentence,
Please read the sentence.
paragraph,
Write one paragraph.
article,
I read an interesting article.
dictionary,
Use a dictionary to learn new words.
pronunciation,
Your pronunciation is improving.
grammar,
Grammar is important.
spelling,
Check your spelling.
accent,
She has a British accent.
vocabulary,
I learn new vocabulary every day.
conversation partner,
My conversation partner is helpful.
hobby,
Reading is my favorite hobby.
collection,
He has a coin collection.
painting,
That painting is beautiful.
drawing,
My daughter likes drawing.
photograph,
This photograph is clear.
puzzle,
The puzzle is difficult.
chess,
We play chess together.
guitar,
My brother plays the guitar.
piano,
She practices the piano daily.
drum,
The drum is loud.
festival,
The town has a music festival.
parade,
We watched the parade.
concert,
The concert starts at 7.
museum,
We visited the museum yesterday.
library,
I borrowed a book from the library.
theater,
The theater is downtown.
zoo,
The children love the zoo.
aquarium,
We saw sharks at the aquarium.
amusement park,
The amusement park is exciting.
playground,
The kids are at the playground.
vacation plan,
Our vacation plan is ready.
reservation,
I made a hotel reservation.
luggage,
My luggage is heavy.
guide,
The guide showed us the city.
tourist,
The tourist took many photos.
souvenir,
I bought a souvenir.
adventure,
Our trip was a great adventure.
camping,
We enjoy camping in summer.
tent,
The tent is easy to set up.
campfire,
We sat around the campfire.
flashlight,
Bring a flashlight tonight.
backpack,
My backpack is full.
weather forecast,
The weather forecast says it will rain.
sunshine,
We enjoyed the warm sunshine.
rainbow,
We saw a rainbow after the rain.
shadow,
My shadow is long.
star,
The stars are bright tonight.
moon,
The moon is full.
Planet.
Earth is a planet.
Space.
Space is amazing.
Energy.
I have lots of energy today.
Power.
The power is out.
Light.
Please turn on the light.
Electricity.
Electricity powers our home.
Battery.
My phone battery is low.
Charger.
I need my phone charger.
Headphones.
I listen with headphones.
Speaker.
The speaker is loud.
Microphone.
Speak into the microphone.
Remote control.
Where is the remote control?
Schedule.
My schedule is busy.
Routine.
Exercise is part of my routine.
Habit.
Reading is a good habit.
Goal.
My goal is to speak English well.
Progress.
You are making progress.
Effort.
Your effort is paying off.
Practice session.
We had a practice session today.
Improvement.
I see your improvement.
Achievement.
Passing the test was a big achievement.
Success.
Daily practice leads to success.
Excellent job.
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 7.
Goodbye and happy learning!